Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Today's application is a task manager that evolves from a popular app of yesteryear. Now, some of you will remember Wunderlist, a really popular application that sadly is no more. Well, kind of. The creators of Wunderlist are back with an application called Superlist, and it's really interesting because the attention to detail and design that you would expect from them is there in abundance. I do like Superlist because it's just really nice to use, and that goes a long way. So let's take a look. So I've got Safari open at the moment, and I'm at the pricing page for Superlist. Now it's cross-platform, and the feature set is very similar across all of them. Now, if I click up here, we're given our download options, and even this here looks quite impressive, I think. It's just a bit swish and nice. So it's available on macOS as a native client, and that's what I'm going to be showing this on today. Now, it's not in the Mac App Store, so if you tap here, it's going to prompt you to ask for permission to download, so I'll click Allow. And the file goes down to your default download location. Now, I'm not going to go there and install it because, one, I'm sure you know how to do that already, and two, I've already done it before. Now, if you don't want to use a native application, you can use it in a web interface, so Safari, Chrome, Arc, and such. And this is useful if you have to work on multiple devices, perhaps for work, but you want to use Superlist across all of them. And the web interface is really functional. Now, you can also download it on iOS. It's in the iOS App Store, of course, and there is an Android version as well. Now, let's close this and come down here to look at the pricing, where I'll just scroll. Now we can see the annual pricing at the moment, which is 20% less than if you paid on a monthly basis here. However, for the vast majority of you, you will not need the Pro tier. The developers are adamant that this app is going to stay free. And let's take a look at the features that you get with the free version. So you've got unlimited tasks, notes, and reminders. I mean, that's great on its own. But then you have unlimited private lists, and we'll cover lists, of course, as we go through. You can share up to 5 lists with 5 people. There are 4 integrations available to extend the functionality. And I'll show you today how to forward emails straight into Superlist, as well as integrate Superlist with Gmail. You can summarize emails into actionable tasks when they are forwarded into Superlist. And you've got up to 10 meg upload and 500 meg worth of file storage for attachments. Now, all of that is really good. If you want to have a team set up for proper collaboration, you can have a free team of up to 5 members. And very soon you will be able to have up to 15 shared lists between your team members. And I will show you how to set a team up today. Now, Pro features are $8 a month paid annually or $10 yearly. And with that, you get all of the free features plus unlimited shared lists that you can share with up to 25 people. You have extra integrations available as well, namely with Slack, GitHub, Linear, and Figma at the time of recording. There's more file storage available and the ability to create lists with AI. And if you want to use the Pro Team package, then unlimited team members, they are all on the Pro plan, and soon you have unlimited shared lists. Now, I can see these being hugely popular in corporate environments, thus sustaining the free packages for people like myself. So I think this is a really good tier set. Now, signing up is easy. I'll come up here, click on sign up. And after a short while, we have a sign up screen that we can sign up with Google, with our Apple account, or via email. And if I click on this email button, I'm asked to enter my email. And I'll be sent a link because there is no password when you're using Superlist. You simply enter your email, go to your email account, and then log in via that link. I'm told that the link is on its way. And I'll switch across to Gmail here, where I'm in Barry's account and an email has just landed. So I'll click. And here is the link to log into Superlist. Now, I have already created an account, so I'm just going to pause and open up the application.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone. and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.